My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I'm an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, was ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. It's widely read globally by various leaders, including CEOs. Having got a great response for this book, I have authored another book titled 21 Success Sutras for CEOs. This book talks purely from the perspective of CEOs and the CEOs who led during turbulent times and who built great organizations globally. It contains lots of case studies, examples, and illustrations of successful leaders and CEOs in the world. One of the sutras out of 21 is be bold to lead in turbulent times. When I was writing this chapter, there are some leaders who came to my mind who led during turbulent times. Winston Churchill led from the front during the Second World War and brought victory to UK and put an end to Second World War. Abraham Lincoln handled civil war in America and he put an end to it. Not only that, and also he played a key role to abolish slavery in America. Boris Yeltsin handled coup very boldly in Russia. And Rudy Giuliani, who was the mayor for New York, handled the terrorist attacks on World Trade Center. So these leaders I have covered in this chapter. I would like to talk briefly about Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is one of the best leaders in the world who encountered lots of challenges in his personal life and professional life. He encountered lots of failures and he was the 16th President of America and the first Republican to become President of America. So when he became President, many leaders underestimated, and also the leaders within his party also underestimated his capacity. But he convinced all the people within the opposition and within his own party, and he built a successful team, and he put an end to civil war in America and ensured the abolition of slavery in America. Right from my childhood, Abraham Lincoln has been my inspiration, and I admire Frances Hesselbein. Her inspiration is also Abraham Lincoln. Turbulence, many people think it's a threat. It's not a threat, it's an opportunity. Whenever you encounter challenges, whenever you encounter turbulence, treat it as an opportunity because it unlocks the potential within you and gets the best out of you. As long as you are in your comfort zone, you won't be able to grow as a leader. When you are pushed to the corner, when you come out of the comfort zone, the best within you will come out and you will be able to grow as a great leader. And I would like to share with you a puzzle which is a kind of mystery and it's also known as riddle. There are 12 frogs on a log. 5 of them decided to jump into the pond. So how many frogs will be there on a log? You think 7 or 12 or 0? The answer is all 12 frogs will be on a log. Why? Because these 5 frogs decided to jump, but they are not jumped. So leadership is all about walking your talk, getting into action. If you simply think leadership doesn't happen, you have to walk your talk, you have to get into action. Then only you will be able to grow as a great leader. So the takeaway from today's video is learn lessons from these great leaders, especially Abraham Lincoln, to become a successful leader and CEO. Thanks for your time.